in VM VirtualBox, first, we need to download Oracle VM VirtualBox. Just go to google.com, search for VM VirtualBox, then click the first link that will appear and download the latest one. After downloading, run the application. Click the tools, then media. Click now the optical discs and click add. Look for the Windows 7 iOS file that we downloaded and add it. Let's now click the machine and then new. Put Windows 7 as the name. In creating the virtual machine, make sure that the version is in 64-bit since we downloaded 64-bit Windows 10. Then click Next. Follow the recommended memory size or you can adjust according to your preference. Click the Create a Virtual Hard Disk now and then click Create. Choose the VDI, then Next. Choose Dynamically Allocated, then Next. In this step, just follow the recommended space, which is around 12 to 15 GB, or you can change it greater than that. Then click Create. We now created a virtual machine of Windows 7. Next, click the Settings. Go to the General and click Advanced. For shared clipboard and drag and drop, choose Bidirectional. Let's go now to the System and then Processor. For better installation, make the processor 2 or 3. Next, we go to the Storage. Click Empty, then click the CD icon on the right side, then choose the iOS file that we downloaded. Click OK, then start the machine. Click Start. The iOS file of the OS, then click Start. We are now in the step where we will start to install Windows 7.
A few moments later.
Click OK. Then install now. Choose Windows 7 Ultimate OEM, then Next. Accept the license terms, then Next. In type of installation, choose Custom, then Next. Then Next. And we are just going to wait for a while. It will start, restarting several times and in installation process too. The Windows is now starting and let's just wait for it again. Here, type the name of the user and you can also change what type of computer it is. Then Next. Password if you like to put one, then Next. Set your time and date, then Next. Here you can choose what type of network you are using. Another couple of minutes to load. After it loads, it will now start to prepare your desktop. This is now your virtual desktop. Windows 7 is successfully downloaded in virtual virtual box.